Jackie, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi, thank you.
You're welcome. What can we do for you, Jackie?
I was renting an apartment in Richmond, Virginia, actually, from a couple that has an LLC, and they have been non-responsive in my attempts to get my deposit back, and I'm wondering what steps I can take.
Well, let's find out, first of all, because what I like to do is I like to talk to my listeners about what are the economic ramifications and circumstances of the litigation that you're involved in, okay? What is the dispute going to cost you to get what you're looking for? So how much is the deposit that you're talking about?
The deposit is $1,000.
All right. So at first blush, although it's a lot of money, I'm not saying $1,000 is not a lot of money, it's going to be difficult to find a lawyer, first of all, to try to pursue that. The second problem that you've got I'm assuming that you're in Michigan.
I am. That is a problem.
And they're in Virginia. So, now you got transportation costs all the way to Virginia. Now, we have had clients that have driven all the way to Virginia to handle traffic tickets, but they did that because they really had a bad driving record and they had no choice, and they didn't need that additional ticket on the record. I'm not so sure that you want to do the same thing. Now, in every state, there is a renter's code, and I'm sure that Virginia is no different. In Michigan, under some circumstances, if the landlord doesn't give you your deposit back, you can sue them for double and triple damages. In Michigan, we also have a statute called a conversion statute. And the simplest example of a conversion is if you go into a bank and give the teller $500 in cash and say, deposit this to my account, and here's my account number, and they say okay as if they're going to do it, and then when you turn around to walk out, they put the money in their pocket. You've legally given them possession of your money, but they then broke the law by taking that money for their very own and using it for something that you never intended it for. That's called a conversion, and you can often get double and triple damages plus attorney's fees and all kinds of things because we don't want people stealing other people's money when they're taking money in trust and confidence of the person giving it to them. So I would get on the Internet, do some research in Virginia about the renter's code or the renter's statute and see what it says. But chances are, Jackie, you're probably out $1,000. I'm just guessing
that's what I was afraid of. I wanted to call.
That's probably what the answer is. It's smart for you to call because it didn't cost you anything to call, did it?
No, it didn't. And
now you're confirmed.
I appreciate your feedback.
Now you're confirmed. You got the feedback you need. And now you also know where to call in case you need a lawyer when you're here in Michigan. And remember, we handle traffic tickets and injury cases and bankruptcy and all kinds of other things at the Dailey Law Firm in Royal Oak, Michigan, okay?
Great. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for calling the Law Show.